You think this is illegal? It's definitely not illegal, is it? Oh, there is no roof. I just saw that. He actually did it. The first thing you do when you come to an abandoned place that is potentially toxic, just eat some berries. Oh my god. Oh my. What up guys? Next Saturday, new video. It's something completely different this time. So a good friend of mine, Christopher, he's just somewhere around me, I don't know. I don't see him. So we found this abandoned place, which is pretty close to where we live, and we're going to check it out. There he is. And yeah, we're going to check it out, see what is inside. Let's see what we can get out of it, right?
Great.
On point. So we're just walking up the street. It's right on the other side. It's like right over there. And yeah, let's see how we get inside. Dang, look at this thing.
At least it doesn't look like we are the first person.
That's true. Dang, look at that thing. Look at that. What the? Dang. This is so awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Should we check out those rooms or just like check out the outside first and then
Try to get an overview.
there's a second floor. Oh, where we? Okay, are we going up there or not? I mean, we could climb up there. It's not like we're bouldering or something. Just go to the left. Go up the left side. Yeah. Dang, look at this. Should we go?
I'll check out this area first.
Alright. Okay, let's go up. Oh, there is no roof. I just saw that. Oh god. How sketchy is this? Just to get on the roof. This is kind of gorgeous though, with the sun. Oh, this thing is big. It's like really big.
Most awesome place with the most awesome guys.
Well, I don't think there's a way down here.
Of course.
Oh, there is? Well, I mean, you could make it a way down, I guess.
Yeah.
Parkour? Sounds like a good idea. Let's do it. He actually did it. The madman. Can you take the can?
Of course.
You can't even see. You don't see anything. Okay, do we want to go over there first or down?
It's amazing.
Yeah, doesn't look sketchy at all. This could be from a horror movie. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Right, let's go. Holy, this thing is shaking so hard. Oh my god. Okay, the stairs down here are not existing. I don't really want to go in there. Not gonna lie. If I can help it, I'm not going in there. Alright, are we doing it? Let's go in there. I mean, we're kind of in a dead end here. I think we need to turn around. Outside or inside?
Inside.
Inside. Best door ever.
There's the street.
Yeah, right. Dang. Look at this guy. Okay. Oh! Okay. This is kind of scary.
Smooth.
Up or down? Okay. Oh, what's
That's
that?
some big ass hole out there.
Dang, what is that? Let's check it out. You did so much damage to this thing. You almost broke it. This is massive. I have no idea what it's used for. It looks like it's rotating or something. That's a professional. Oh god, what is this?
Another tower?
Let's look at it. But maybe we could climb this one.
Oh.
I don't know if there is something to climb, but
There is a fence on top of this tower.
yeah,
so
right? Fence sounds like you
don't
can
fall off of it.
Exactly, it's safe. Oh, it's closed inside. I think we should climb up there. Okay, let's go. I don't know, either go outside or go under. stealth 100. Nothing? At least pretend like there's something there.
I can see anything and I don't want to see anything.
Yeah, don't die. I don't know if I told you this before, but don't die. Oh, there is one. Okay, let's do it. Wait, there's no floor? Where are you standing?
Here's no floor.
Oh god. Oh, it's all water down there.
Oh look, there's graffiti over there.
Not true.
The house over the street is empty completely.
Just one arm climbing all the way up here.
Oh.
Oh dang. What is that? Let's go. Yeah, that's not sketchy at all.
No.
Do we want to see if we can open this?
Do you want to open?
I feel like I want to open it. Oh, you can open it. Okay. Oh, does it smell?
No, but air is coming out.
Really cool so far though, right? Like really epic this place. It's definitely worth it to come here.
Like a mind searcher.
Not gonna lie, this is so weird.
Great, so it's stable.
Easy. Cars.
So now let's get down here.
The first thing you do when you come to an abandoned place that is potentially toxic, just eat some berries. Good?
Yummy.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, we're back in the beginning. I feel like we didn't even get all the spots there are in here. We definitely saw a lot. All right, guys, I think we saw most of it. I hope you liked it as much as we did. It probably wasn't half as exciting for you guys as it was for us, but it was really cool, right?
It was great.
If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the other stuff you can do, and see you guys next week.
My hero, you will show me what I gotta do.